As down the glen one Easter morn to a city fair rode I. There are met lines of marching men in squadrons passed me by. No pipe did hum, nor battle drum did sound its dread tattoo, but the Angelus bell o'er the Liffey swell rang out in the foggy dew. Right proudly high over Dublin town they hung out the flag of war. 'Twas better to die 'neath an Irish sky than at Soulba or Soodlebar. And from the plains of royal Meath strong men came hurrying through, while Britannia's Huns with their long-range guns sailed into the foggy dew. But the bravest fell, and the requiem bell rang mournfully and clear, for those who died that Easter tide in the springing of the year. And the world did gaze in deep amaze at those fearless men but few, who bore the fight that freedom's light might shine through the foggy dew.